Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Typescript. In today's video, we are deep dive into our type annotation. Whether you are new to Typescript or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what type annotations are, how to use them, and the advantage they offer. Let's get started. So, what exactly is type annotation? In TypeScript, the type annotation allows us to explicitly specify the types of variables, function parameters, return values, and other data structure. This helps catch error earlier in the development process and makes our code more readable and maintainable. So let's look at some example of how we can use types annotation in TypeScript. Here you see I open my code editor and here I create a index.ts file. In this file, first I create a variable with the name of my number and I store a 10 value in this variable. Now you can see this is a valid JavaScript code. So as you know that valid JavaScript code is a valid TypeScript code. So now we need to add a type annotation to this my number variable. So for that, here I use a colon and then I assign a type a number, and this number is a type annotation in a TypeScript. So here we have a different types in a TypeScript. So like that, if our value is a string, here I write a let keyword, and after that here I use a variable with the name of my name is equal to honey. So this variable store a honey means a string value. So I hover on this and you can see its types is a string. So this annotation as a type annotation is a string. So you simply write here as string. So like that you mention types to any variable and any function. So if you create a function, here I write a function keyword, and after that I give a name of function like sum, and here I use a two parameter. First is a and second is a b, and after that in this function we return a value like a plus b. After that, what we can do is now we give a type annotation to this function parameter. So here I use a number because we add only a number. So again we give a type to a b parameter like a number, and also we give our number to this return value. This means the function return our number value, and here I use a console.log, and then I use a sum, and in this sum we pass up two value like 10 plus 5 10 comma 5. So in this code you learn how we can use a type annotation in a function, and how we can give a types to a return value. After that we take a look on how many types in our TypeScript we have. So first we have unknown, and in unknown we have any and null, void, undefined, and in any we have different types like a number, big int, and boolean, string, symbols, object, and in a number we have a number enum, and after in a string we have a string enum and unique symbols. In object we have array, function, constructor, and tuples, and in a boolean and big int we have a neighbor. So in coming video we explain all types step by step. Now that we have seen how to use type annotation, let's talk about their advantage. First is early error detection. Type annotation help catch types related error at compile time before your code run. This reduces runtime errors and make your code more reliable. So let's see an example. So I open my code editor and here I have a code. So I remove this code, and here we create one more variable with the name of num and give a value to this num is a 10. After that here I write a number types. Now we reassign a value to this num variable. So here I write a honey. This time we assign a value to this num is a string value. Now, and you can see I get an error. So why I can get an error? Because num only store a number value, and in this time I store a string value in this num. So due to this reason it gave an error, and I hover on this and you can see type string is not assignable to type number. This means first we gave a num variable or num type, number types, and now we store a string value in this number variable types, and here you can see I get an error at a compile time when we are using a TypeScript. So this is a benefit of TypeScript type notation. So next is a improve code readability. By explicitly stating the type, your code become more readable and easier to understand. Other developer or even future you can quickly grasp what kind of data is being used. So let's again see an example. So in simple JavaScript, I remove this code and here I write a let number. So simple, I write my number is equal to 10, and again here I write a let my name is equal to honey. So here you can see it is not more readable form. When I give a types to this like a number, now you can see you understand this variable store a number value, and when we mention here a string, you know this variable store a string value only. Okay, so this is the advantage of type annotation in a TypeScript. So next we tell one more thing about our TypeScript type annotation. Like we have a type number. So here I create a one variable with the name of my number, and we give our value 10, and after that here we mention our types number. In TypeScript, when we have a number value, we assign a simple 10 as a numeric value, and you can also assign a float value. Here we have a pi, and we give this a number, and after that we write a pi value 3.47 like that. And after that you can also store a negative value to this type number. Here I write number and we store an active value. So all these cases are true or valid in a TypeScript. You can store any value in a type number like simple numeric value and float value and a negative value. Okay, and there you have it, a quick introduction to a type notation in TypeScript. We have covered what type notation are, how to use them, and the advantage they bring to your development process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.